Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to the next lesson for the fourth quarter. In this video, we're going to look at state machines or systems that have different states. A state can be represented by numbers or uh, yeah. In this case, we're going to look at states wherein we can represent the state in numbers. In this case, 0, 1, 2. Of course, you can have more, 0, 1, 2, 3, but this states basically will be driven by an event. Let's say in this example that I will show you, uh, it will be driven by an event, which is basically a key from our keyboard. In this case, a space. So, if you, some of you might have seen this already. This is just a continuation of the event-driven programming lesson that I posted, and you already know where this resource is. So I will show you. So in this lesson, you will learn basically there are three lessons. It says here that we will learn first to show you how we can use the turtles in different ways. The second demonstrates how to program a state machine in Python by using a variable to keep track of the current state and using the different if statements to inspect the current state. And the third lesson is to use events from the keyboard to trigger the state changes. So the first step I want you to do is basically copy and paste this to your replit. So I did that in here. And again, when you copy that to your replit, remember to comment your line 3 because the dot setup and is not recognized by Replit, and the dot title. And an additional method that's not recognized by Replit is the shape size. Comment that out. Uh, but like I said, if you want to use the offline IDLE or the Python IDLE version 3.7 or higher, you can use these methods and you will see a more accurate output in here. So if I run this program, you will see in here the first part of your program. Again, this is standard initiation of a turtle. Then there is a function here called draw housing. You call that's actually what the first thing that the program will do. It will draw the housing of the stoplight. Uh, and then after it draws the housing, it's going to draw the green circle here, which is basically the shape of a turtle. It will, after it draws the shape, it has its pen up, move here, turn left, and go to this forward 50 and draws the turtle and fills it with green color. And then after that, it will initiate a variable called state num. So initially, that state num is 0. Right now, the state num is 0. Now, you have this function advanced state machine that you can call every time you press the space. And in this function, what it does is it checks for the state num. So if it's 0, which in this case it's 0, what will happen is your turtle will move forward. If we press the space, it will move forward and change its color into orange, and then it will change the state into 1. So if I press this, if I press space, oops, sorry,